said this already and I'm saying it again. Ninja Man changed dancehall when he came on the scene in the late 80s. Prior to that, there was no lyrics. It was just gimmicks. No disrespect to King Yellowman, but watch this out. Zungu 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 zay. So if you have a paper, you must have a pen. And if you have a start, you must have an end. Say 5 plus 5 equal to 10. That's not lyrics, that's gimmicks. And that was what worked in the late 70s and 80s, mid 80s. When Ninja Man burst on the scene and say,
me born living on free boat ticket. Not a money in me pocket, not a cent me no have, but away me a go do. Politics about.
You get what I'm saying? Ninja Man is vital to dancehall and he must get credit. Shout out to all the 80s artists prior to him, but Ninja Man changed dancehall from gimmicks to lyrics, in my opinion.